You can also substitute 1 drop of the lemongrass per 1 tablespoon of fresh lemongrass for savory entrees and dishes. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of lemongrass essential oil. A tall perennial plant, lemongrass has a subtle citrus flavor and is used in Asian cuisine in soups, teas, curries, and other dishes as well. In addition to its unique flavor, lemongrass essential oil promotes healthy digestion and acts as an overall tonic to your body's systems when ingested. It's also purifying and toning to your skin and is frequently used in skincare products for these health benefits. Lemongrass is an ideal oil to use in massage therapy too. Lemongrass has a pungent yet herbaceous aroma that can heighten awareness and promote a positive outlook. The top 3 uses for doTERRA's lemongrass oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of lemongrass are that it soothes tight muscles and joints, flavors food, and supports healthy digestion and a GI tract. The directions for use are adding 1 drop of lemongrass with 1 drop of each of the deep blue and frankincense essential oil for extra tight muscles and joints, and using a fractionated coconut oil like this one from doTERRA is going to help that absorb better into the skin, cover a larger surface area of your body, and then also reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil, and is a great carrier oil and perfect for topical application because it's non-greasy and has no smell. You can also substitute 1 drop of the lemongrass per 1 tablespoon of fresh lemongrass for savory entrees and dishes. Lastly, you can diffuse 2 drops of each in a 8-hour diffuser like the Aroma Light diffuser or doTERRA's Lumo diffuser, which would be the lemongrass, peppermint, basil, and ginger for a nice aromatherapy effect. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.